got C3 turbos, hasn't it?
Spot on.
Spot on.
Zero
Brilliant.
problems, no nothing. No problems, low temperatures, high speeds.
Loving life.
Fucking loving life.
Can't go wrong. We're loving the tunnels in Birmingham. Absolutely loving the tunnels.
How you can control the sounds with the throttle.
Yeah.
So like, you can make them pop the bang like now, or you can just do it so and it doesn't do it. It's fucking
you
mad.
Know, you get to learn your car, don't you? I remember when I had mine, I made sure.
I did this. Fucking sick.
It all depends on how you let off on the throttle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Yeah.
I thought it was just, it is what it is, but it isn't. It's all about what the driver's doing.
That's ridiculous. That is nuts.